Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Data Minds podcast, and thank you very much for choosing us. Please note our episodes are often sponsored, and you can always learn more in each episode's description. Checking out our sponsors is the best way you can show us love and support our work. All right, let's listen to what today's episode is teaching us. Maximizing the impact of your training workshops or seminars. Training workshops and seminars are an excellent way to provide professional development opportunities for employees or industry peers. However, organizing a successful event that maximizes its impact on the attendees and achieves your goals can be challenging. In this blog post, we will provide you with tips and strategies to maximize the impact of your training workshops or seminars. 1. Define your objectives. Define your objectives clearly and ensure that they align with your organization's overall goals. This will help you identify the necessary topics, speakers, and activities to achieve your objectives. 2. Choose your speakers carefully. Choose experienced and knowledgeable speakers who can deliver the message effectively and engage attendees. Ensure that they align with your event's objectives and can provide valuable insights. 3. Create engaging content. Ensure that your content is relevant, informative, and engaging. Use a variety of media such as videos, case studies, and interactive activities to keep attendees interested and attentive. 4. Encourage active participation. Encourage attendees to participate actively by asking questions, sharing their experiences, and providing feedback. This can help attendees apply what they have learned to real-life situations. 5. Provide networking opportunities. Provide opportunities for attendees to network with peers, speakers, and sponsors. This can help build relationships, identify potential collaborators, and provide new perspectives. 6. Evaluate your event. Evaluate your event's success by collecting feedback from attendees and tracking your event's metrics. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to your future events. 7. Provide follow-up resources. Provide attendees with follow-up resources such as handouts, links to additional resources, and recordings of the event. This can help them reinforce their learning and share it with their colleagues. By following these tips, you can maximize the impact of your training workshops or seminars. Remember to define your objectives clearly. Choose the right speakers, create engaging content, encourage active participation, provide networking opportunities, evaluate your event's success, and provide follow-up resources. These strategies can help ensure that your event delivers value to attendees and achieves your organization's objectives.